is Angelo with Founders Cigar Company, coming to you with another Fundamentals with Founders. We are going to go into traveling with cigars and storing cigars. So I have a couple different options here as it relates to humidors for cigar storage. This is a 15 count humidor that I use when I travel. I try to get as many cigars in here and use all of my space for my fundamentals. So let's take a look at what I have in here. This is called a Boveda pack. These guys are local to us in Minnesota. These are what will keep your cigars properly humidified. They will put humidification in. They will also remove humidification if things get too high. As you can see, I have a smattering of my favorite Founders cigars. And then I usually keep redundant cutters and lighters for different options. I do like lighting cigars with matches, so if I'm in an indoor location, I will light some cigars with matches. I have a dual torch Zippo here, and I also have a single torch. Just always nice to have different lighting options. In here, I also have my Perfect Cut cutter, my preferred cutter of choice, and I like to keep a little bit of cedar. Usually these come in cigar boxes. I think that it adds a nice freshness to your cigar box as well as your cigars, and you can use these to light your cigars. So what's the difference now between this and these larger items? This here is something that I would keep at home, and I would keep the bulk of my cigars in this. These are just in my house, ready to go. A couple Boveda packs. I know that they're going to be good year round. This is airtight, so this is a really nice bulk storage. Then what I'd move down to is, like I said, this is my thing that I will travel with. I'll put as many cigars in here as possible. The problem with this is, unless you have it packed up all the way, if this is moving around as you're traveling, your cigars can get damaged in here if there's too much space. That's where this 5 count humidor is really nice. This one is one where you can put your cigars in a lined. They capture them really nicely. You can also put a small Boveda pack in here. You can fit your cutter and your lighter in the bottom. This is kind of your essentials. So if I'm going to the beach or if I'm going to the golf course, this is something that I'm going to pack up and take with me because I know that the cigars are going to stay safe in here through travel, through bumping and jumping around. So this is something that is definitely more of my day-to-day traveler, where this is my weekend to my weekly traveler, and this is the one that I keep at home. So a lot of different humidor options for a lot of different things. You want to keep your fundamentals in there, your cutters, your lighters, and your humidification and your cigars. Thank you for enjoying another Fundamentals with Founders.